Welcome, nutrition navigators. Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of clove tea could potentially boost your health? Well, let's spill the tea on this aromatic beverage. Throughout history, cultures worldwide have embraced cloves, not just for their rich, spicy flavor, but also for their potential health benefits. Yes, this humble spice does more than just jazz up your apple pie. Clove tea, a traditional brew, is a veritable treasure chest of wellness, thanks to its natural properties. It's like a cozy, warm hug that also happens to be good for you. Talk about a win-win. But like any potent brew, it comes with its own set of considerations. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, folks. Now that we've stirred your curiosity, let's dive deep into the power of clove tea, shall we? After all, there's no time like the present to steep ourselves in knowledge. Imagine an everyday beverage that doubles as a health elixir. That's clove tea for you. Now let's dive into the sea of benefits offered by this humble brew. Firstly, clove tea is like a superhero when it comes to antioxidants. It's loaded with these little warriors that help to fight the villains of inflammation within our bodies. So if you're looking to build a fortress against chronic illnesses, a cup of clove tea might be the right tool in your toolbox. Moving on to our second benefit, clove tea is a bit like a friendly neighborhood plumber for your digestive system. It can help to unclog the pipes, so to speak, potentially easing symptoms like bloating and gas. So if your tummy's throwing a tantrum, try soothing it with some warm clove tea. Our third stop on the Clove Tea Benefit Express brings us to its antibacterial properties. It's like having a microscopic security guard keeping watch over your throat. This means it may help soothe sore throats and coughs, making it a comforting companion during cold and flu season. Last but not least, clove tea may also moonlight as a stress and headache reliever. After a long day, sipping on this aromatic brew might just take the edge off your worries and ease that throbbing in your temples. It's like having a mini spa session right in your own kitchen. So, clove tea seems to be a cup full of benefits, doesn't it? But remember, it's not always a case of more is better. While clove tea is a brew-tyful addition to your routine, moderation is key. You wouldn't want to turn your tea time into trouble time, would you? In the next scene, we'll be discussing some of the important considerations when it comes to drinking clove tea. So stay tuned, because there's more to this spice than meets the eye. You might be ready to brew a gallon of clove tea right now, but hold on, here's the flip side of the coin. While clove tea is a bit of a wonder brew, it's not a magic potion. Drinking it by the bucketful won't make you invincible. In fact, excessive consumption could lead to digestive problems and potential liver damage. So remember, moderation is the secret ingredient to enjoying its benefits. Now here's a heads up for all the expecting mothers out there. Clove tea might stimulate uterine contractions, so it's best to sip something else during pregnancy. And for everyone else, it's always a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider before adding clove tea or any other herbal remedy to your routine. They can guide you based on your unique health situation. So, as with most things in life, balance is key when it comes to clove tea. So, now that you're a clove tea connoisseur, what's next? Well, the world of clove tea doesn't end here, folks. There's a whole treasure trove of information out there waiting to be discovered. So why not dive in and do a little more research? There's always something new to learn, after all. And remember, it's always a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Perhaps clove tea may become a new addition to your wellness routine, or maybe it's not the right fit. Either way, it's all about finding what works best for you. Remember, your health journey is unique to you, so make sure to navigate it wisely. It's not about following trends, it's about making informed choices. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. And please do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.